So we start off today's video with someone who has a bob haircut. Looks like she's definitely going shorter. And the stylist chops the hair into a beautiful pixie style. Really liking the shape of this. Her hair is so thick and full. So gorgeous. I think that the pixie definitely suits her. Love the way it made her jawline pop, her cheekbones. And then we move into a chunky bob transformation. So she has some pretty long waist length hair here. And that is the inspiration. Now this is a very popular bob style that we're seeing on TikTok. Stylist put in a few layers to frame out the face. Very nice. I think what's great about this bob is definitely the texture. It gives you a lot of volume. So here we have someone with mid-back length hair. And bam, the stylist chops that hair right off into a gorgeous bob haircut. Absolutely beautiful transformation. So here we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. Oh, wow. She got a beautiful face framing mod bob style. I love the way those bangs frame her face. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. Next up, we have another bob. So this video so far is filled with bobs. I like how he's offering up tips to cutting a bob. Now she does have some layers in the bob as well to frame out her face. We're seeing a lot of that layered bob style this spring. And once again, this bob has a lot of volume to it. Very chic, very cute. Next up, looks like we have another bob. once again with the layers going to frame out the face. We're seeing a lot of that bottleneck bang style, the curtain bangs this spring. So here we have someone, she has an absolutely gorgeous wavy texture to her hair. She ended up getting this cute little shaggy pixie style, almost a bit of a mixy baby mullet. I love the way the texture of her hair looks with that cut, so pretty. So here we have someone with hair just around mid-length. She's got some grays coming there at the roots. Oh, looks like she might be going really short. Oh, wow. So she ended up getting the salt and pepper pixie. Embraced her grays. I love that. So here we have someone else. Grown out ginger color, gray roots. Oh, the stylist just chops that hair right off. Mixes in some color, and she is icy platinum pixie. Woo, so gorgeous. So next up we have a Pixie inspired haircut. This is a very popular style, especially a couple of years ago. And it's a nice in-between style between a pixie and a bob. That came out amazing. Look how much texture. So here we have someone else going really short. And her hair is on the thinner side. We're going to see if the stylist can manage to thicken it up with this cut. Ooh, wow. Oh, she looks breathtaking. She looks like a completely different person. I am loving this. And he was able to add some shape and height to that style. A little bit of volume. So next up, we have someone, it looks like she's in for a cut refresh. He's like, do you want to go shorter? Are you sure? He's just giving her a trim. Well, I'm hoping she does keep those longer bangs. Oh, she is going quite shorter though. Oh, wow. Beautiful pixie bob style. So much volume with that cut as well. Very chic. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.